Valerie Perini, and I'm a graduate student here at the MSc. My research has to do with nutrient cycling in coastal communities. The two nutrients that I look at are nitrogen and phosphorus, because these are essential for all living organisms. I've been monitoring how changes in nutrient levels might impact the ability of seaweed and animals that live on the rocky shore to access the nutrients and to grow and reproduce and survive. This research is essential in order to determine how large-scale fluctuations might impact these natural communities. I'm also very passionate about education and outreach. I really like sharing the knowledge I've gained with others, and I've gotten to TA some cool courses. One was the Marine Ecology course that's offered as part of the 3Cs program, and that's an awesome course because it's a very field-intense course, so we get to go out in the field all the time, and we get to take cool field trips like up to Maine and on oceanography cruises. The camaraderie of all the graduate students here and the support of all the faculty and staff and grad students, I think it's a really great place to work, and everyone here makes you kind of feel like a family of scientists all working together.